Hi, hello everyone. My project is railway ticket booking system and dynamic seat allocation using collaborative optimization model. The main objective of this project, it is recommended to admin in which train number needs to be set extra seats. In RAM, I am working in Ramco system. My company clients are DHFL, Paramera, Nissan Product and Sharaf SG. Offset. The passengers enquire the train basis of the source and destination. It contains the entire train journey details, include all the station name, arrival time and departure time. The passengers can choose the seat number and coach number as per preference. The design of the database railway reservation based on relation model. Introduction. In Indian Railways, there carries a 5.5 lakhs passengers and recommend accommodation every day. The online railway reservation system is developed for Automate. It is a complete end-to-end system activities based on railway reservation system. It is a complete web-based interface of all the operations, include reservation, PNR inquiry, cancellation, and system admin. Literature service. Here 2019 September, author John Keith. The project title is the collaborative optimization of dynamic pricing and seat allocation for high-speed railways, an empirical study from China. In the merits and demerits of the seat allocation decision is to HSR dynamic pricing problem based on revenue management, and the demerits is does not support the different seat classes prices. In 2019 July, the Queen et al. Is developed another project, the differential pricing strategy of high-speed railway based on prospect theory, an empirical study from China. The merits policy is the optimizing the process of train during the peak and off-peak periods. The objective factors affect passengers' choice of travel mode. In existing system, the passengers will only provide a list of trains between two stations, and train number is the only available information of that action. The passengers could not select the seat number and coach number also. The passengers were able to get the information on the train arrival and departure only in a particular train. The problem definitions of seat in a manual, it is difficult to access in the data. In manual systems are also difficult and time consuming. In proposed system, the admin will be able to track all the information of booking, payment and train route. It can predict the train number in which most of the people's ticket booked and show how many people have traveled also. The PNR status are used to check the passenger details, and the train ticket can be cancelled using PNR number. The passengers can view the list of seats number, and rest of seats can be chosen according to the preference. In advantages, the passengers can easily view the details of the train. The passengers book seat our own choice and just enter the serial number, easily view type of classes and book and berth seat. The collaborative optimization model is a type of decomposition technique. This technique analyzes multiple time and execute the solution. And the time period is the equation to get that allocation of seat allocation and train H during the kth period, and the passenger demand distribution of each time period. Architecture diagram. In architecture procedure, the passengers can view the schedule and choose the available of the train ticket. And booking centers goes to and book the ticket and book the seat numbers and the berth number. Booking centers can confirm the ticket confirmation. After the passengers can select the can choose the fare amount and pay the fare. Models. Three models are using the fare calculation master, cancel ticket using PNR number, predict train number and allocate seat number. The fare calculation master. Then railway reservation based on some rules using for ticket calculation. The fare calculation master, the fare based on distance. The cancel ticket using PNR number. The PNR number will be provided when booking the ticket. The passenger can use that number to view the status and cancel the ticket. Predict train number and allocate a seat. We estimate how many times the passengers have booked a particular time on a particular day, and also they estimate how many passengers have travelled on overall. Based on this estimate, allocate the seat to passengers. In UML diagram, the passenger fill the ticket name, age, address, and what are the train, such train, view schedule, what are the ticket number, cancel ticket, any other changes can be done. And ticket set is ticket number is available, starting location, destination, passenger number is also available. In ticket clerk, what is it? In ticket clerk, name, location, he will give the reserve seat, tickets. These are the jobs are shown to ticket clerk. The train is equal to train model and train ID. And railway database is a railway ID and response. Use case diagram. In use case diagram is the passengers can search train. The admin provide the list of train. The passengers can try if then the admins give the train available. The passenger book the train and the passenger fill the form and submit form to admin and print ticket the passenger. Then after use it. ER diagram. The ER diagram means how many the list of trains, the one trains, the multiple train status is available. Then the same available the trains include the source, AC fare, train number, general fare, mon available is also available in it. The trains are login. First the username and password using the login, then goes to train, then fill the form, then let's to booking the ticket. The booking ticket is divided into two, one book ticket and the cancel ticket. If you take the book ticket, the train number, category or date booked also will available. But the one passenger is booking the one cancel train. The ticket ID, the date of booked is available. Then booking the passengers. Multiple passengers booking the same compartment, so the passengers address, ID, category, status, age, name is also available. Sequence diagram. The sequence diagram means what are the steps the passengers do in step by step is available. It shows the passengers first search the train in the railway website, and the railway website the instructions gets to the database and search the database. In the database it shows the available of trains or else or not, then return to result. Then passenger, if the train is available, the passenger book ticket, start to book the ticket. The book ticket is goes to admin side. The admins check status of the database, and then status is available, the check ticket is available, the database will return the passenger's ticket is available. Then the passenger fill the form, and if once the passenger form filled, then submit the form and check details also. On the railway website it goes to admin, you check details also. The check details is the admin check into database, and the details are added into database, and then return request amount, and then the passenger pay amount and request print. The website available. Software requirement. The operating system Windows 10 front-end HTML5 including JavaScript, and back-end Java server, database and MySQL server. The hardware requirements are the processor is a Pentium 12 core 2.0 GHz, hard disk is a 500 GB, RAM is a 4 GB, and keyboard is a 110 keyboard, keys enhanced. Is a login page. The user can first create the username and password login, and then goes to the book train. They just enter the train number, all the information are automatically shown, and just the passengers can select their coach and book that and press the to get PNR button. The passengers can view the trains available, which seat numbers are available, so can book the ticket, can choose that seat number. The booked tickets are also always booked. The fare calculation. The passengers can check the fare amount. Just enter the from station to station and coach, and press to get PNR. It shows the kilometers and the prices automatically. Change password. Once the passengers are required to change the new password, is also change the password. If the password changed only is once the old password gives the old password and enter into the screen after the password is changed. PNR inquiry. Once the booking the ticket, using the PNR number and give the PNR number and select and press the button, it shows the status of the ticket and how many seats are booked, and all this shows. Predict train number. This using collaborative optimization, it shows the train numbers, the total number of passengers that travel in that day is 13. The ticket booked by particular day 4. It shows the in down it shows the train number. Most of the train numbers select the particular day is a 16701. This is the train number in particular day. The most of the numbers are selected. Future work. The railway reservation is suggested to further study the NIRTC dynamic pricing and seat allocation problem, considering the different seat classes, different berth numbers, different types of passengers, and even the comprehensive optimization of NIRTC network. With multiple lines in the futures, we have selected. The optimization problem is mostly used to optimize the seat allocation is all and dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing is also considered. Conclusion: the collaborative optimization models used to optimize the seat allocation decision is obtained under the determined prices. Thank you.